Chapter 6, Cubes and Cube Roots. You know that cube is used in geometry. A cube is a solid figure which has all its sides equal. How many cubes of side 1 centimeter will make a cube of side 2 centimeter? This is a cube where each side has same length and each face of that cube is square. Now if we have a cube with a 2 centimeter side, then it will be made up of 8 cubes of 1 centimeter. Similarly, how many cubes of side 1 centimeter can make a cube of 3 centimeter? They are 27. Consider numbers 1, 8, 27. These are called perfect cubes or cube numbers. Can you say why they are named so? Each of them is obtained when a number is multiplied by taking it 3 times. So what is a 1 cube? It is 1 into 1 into 1. Product of these numbers is 1. So we say that 1 cube is 1. Now 2 cube is 2 into 2 into 2, that is 8. So 2 cube is 8. 3 cube is 27. 5 cube is 125. Therefore 1, 8, 27, 135, 125 are called perfect cube numbers. Is 9 a cube number? No. 9 is 3 into 3 and there is no natural number which multiplied by taking 3 times gives 9. So for no other number we can write x into x into x. X is a number is equal to 9. So 9 is not a perfect cube. The following are the cubes of numbers from 1 to 10. 1 cube is 1, 2 cube is 8, 3 cube is 27, 4 cube is 64, 5 cube is 125, 6 cube is 6 into 6 into 6 is 216, 7 cube is 343, 8 cube is 512, 9 cube is 729 and 10 cube is 1000. There are only 10 perfect cubes from 1 to 1000. How many perfect cubes are there from 1 to 100? From 1 to 100, 1, 2, 3, 4. Only 4 cubes are there from 1 to 100. Observe the cubes of even number. Are they all even? What can you say about cubes of odd numbers? Now let us observe even numbers. 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. And if you observe their cubes, cubes of even number are even and cubes of odd numbers are odd. We are even, so our cubes are also even. We are odd, so are our cubes. Consider few numbers having 1 as the ones digit. Find the cube of each of them. What can you say about ones digit of a cube of a number having 1 as a units place digit or ones place digit? Now let us consider 1, 11, 21. These are the numbers with n digit 1. Now let us find out cubes of these numbers. One cube is 1, 11 cube is 1331 and 12 cube is 9261. So if a number ends with 1, its cube also ends with 1. Find the cube of each of them. What can you say about the ones digit of cube number having 1 as units place? Similarly, explore the ones digit of cube of numbers ending with 2, 3, 4, etc. This is units place is 1, therefore its cube also ends with 1. Here n digit is 8 and 8 cube is 512, therefore ones place digit of 8888 is 2. 149, 9 cube is 729, so units place digit of this number is 9. Here the units place digit is 2, here the units place digit will be 1. Now 5 cube is 125, so end place digit of this cube is 1. Here the end digit is 4 and 4 cube is 64, therefore end digit of cube will also end with 4. 77, the end digit is 7 and 7 cube is 343, so end digit will be 3. 5022, end digit is 2 and 2 cube is 8, so end digit will be equal to 8. 53 cube, end digit is 3 and 3 cube is 27, so end digit of this number is 7. Some interesting patterns. Adding consecutive odd numbers. 1, their first odd number is 1 and the first cube of first natural number 1 cube, that is 1. Now the next odd numbers are 3 and 5. If we add them we get 8, which is 2 cube. Now if we add next 3 odd numbers, that are 7, 9 and 11, then the addition is 27 and so on. Express the following numbers as the sum of odd numbers using above pattern. 5 cube साठी सुरुवात केली आपण 21, 3 cube साठी सुरुवात केली from 13. Now for 6 cube. For 6 cube we have, which is the odd number after 29, it is 31 plus 33 plus 35 plus 37 plus 39, and this addition must be equal to 216, that is 6 cube. Consider the pattern. These 2 and 1 are consecutive numbers. 2 cube minus 1 cube is 1 plus 2 into 1 into 3. 3 cube minus 2 cube is 1 plus 3 into 2 into 3. So these 2 digits are fixed and the middle 2 digits are changing. Now 7 cube minus 6 cube, that will be 1 plus 7 into 6 into 3. Cubes and their prime factors. 4 cube is 64 and prime factorization of 64 is 2 raised to 3 into 2 raised to 3. 6 cube. Now what is 6 cube? It is 2 into 3 cube. So this is 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 3. 2 and 3, product of these two prime numbers is 6. So 6 cube will contain 2 3 times and 3 also 3 times. Observe that each prime factor of a number appears 3 times in the prime factorization of cube. Prime factorization of cube has each prime factor 3 times. In the prime factorization of any number, if each factor appears 3 times, then is the number a perfect cube? Yes. If each factor appears 3 times, then the number obtained is a perfect cube. By prime factorization, 216, it's 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 3. So it is 2 cube into 3 cube. 6 cube. 216 is 6 cube, which is a perfect cube. Factors can be grouped in triplets. 729. 729 is a perfect cube. It is 9 into 9 into 9. Now let us check for 500. Prime factorization of 500 is 2 into 2 into 5 into 5 into 5. Now prime factor 5 forms triplet, but prime factor 2 does not form a triplet. Therefore 500 is not a perfect cube. 243, we have to check, is that 243 a perfect cube? Then prime factorize the given number and we get 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3, that is 3 is 5 times. There are, so prime factor 3 forms one triplet, but this triplet is incomplete. Therefore 243 is not a perfect cube. Smallest multiple, that is a perfect cube. (392) is a perfect cube. If not, find the smallest natural number by which 392 must be multiplied. 392, let us prime factorize this. We can divide one more time. Now prime factor 2 forms a triplet, but 7 does not form a triplet. So if we multiply 392 by 7 and prime factorization of that number by 7, now triplet is completed for prime factor 7. So 392 is not a perfect cube, but if we multiply 392 by 7, then it becomes a perfect cube. 53,240 a perfect cube. If not, then by which smallest natural number should 53,240 be divided? Now prime factorize and we get one number which is single. So we divide both sides by 5 and the obtained answer is perfect cube. Is 1188 a perfect cube? For each of such question we have to prime factorize the given number, form the groups of 3 for each prime factor. Now 2 and 11 does not complete the triplet, therefore 1188 is not a perfect cube. And if we divide that by 2 into 2, that is 4, and 11, so 1188 divided by 2 into 11 into 11, so the answer so obtained will be a perfect cube. This one is similar. Now you can start solving exercise 6.